LumaFusion versus Adobe Premiere Pro. Choosing the right video editor can completely change how you create professional videos without overwhelming complexity. LumaFusion offers mobile ease, while Premiere Pro delivers powerful desktop editing. LumaFusion and Adobe Premiere Pro are two leading video editors with distinct approaches. LumaFusion focuses on intuitive, mobile-first editing for creators on the go, while Premiere Pro is a comprehensive desktop solution designed for detailed, high-end production workflows. LumaFusion is a professional video editing app designed primarily for iOS devices like iPhones and iPads. It provides a touch-optimized interface that simplifies complex editing tasks such as multi-track timelines, color correction, and audio mixing. Users can import footage directly from their device or cloud services, then quickly arrange clips with drag-and-drop gestures. Its strengths lie in portability, ease of use, and fast performance on mobile hardware, making it ideal for vloggers, journalists, and mobile content creators who need powerful editing on the move. However, LumaFusion's mobile focus means it lacks some advanced features found in desktop editors, such as extensive plugin support or deep integration with other Adobe Creative Cloud apps. It is best suited for users looking for a robust yet accessible editing tool without the steep learning curve or hardware demands of desktop software, especially those who prioritize editing outside traditional studio environments. Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional-grade video editing software built for desktop platforms, offering a comprehensive set of tools for filmmakers, video producers, and creative professionals. It supports multi-cam editing, advanced color grading, motion graphics, and seamless integration with Adobe's Creative Cloud suite, including After Effects and Photoshop. Premiere Pro handles complex projects with high-resolution footage and extensive effects, providing granular control over every aspect of the timeline. Its strengths include industry-standard features, powerful customization, and collaboration tools, making it a top choice for studios and experienced editors. However, Premiere Pro requires a subscription and a powerful computer, which can be a barrier for casual users or those with limited budgets. The learning curve is steeper compared to mobile editors, demanding time and skill to master. It suits users who need professional output, work on large projects, or require integration with other Adobe tools for a streamlined workflow. LumaFusion and Adobe Premiere Pro serve different user needs and environments. LumaFusion excels in portability and straightforward editing on mobile devices, perfect for creators needing quick turnaround and on-the-go flexibility. It's less suited for highly detailed projects or collaborative workflows. Premiere Pro, in contrast, is built for depth and scale, handling complex edits, effects, and professional-grade color work on desktops. It supports collaborative teams and integrates tightly with the Adobe ecosystem, but demands significant hardware and expertise. For example, a travel vlogger might prefer LumaFusion for fast edits on location, while a post-production studio would rely on Premiere Pro for feature-length films. The trade-off is between convenience and power, with LumaFusion offering speed and mobility, and Premiere Pro delivering advanced capabilities and professional polish. Choose LumaFusion if you prioritize mobile editing, ease of use, and fast project turnaround without needing the full complexity of desktop software. Adobe Premiere Pro is the best choice for professionals who require advanced editing features, extensive customization, and integration with other Adobe tools. For serious projects and studio-level workflows, Premiere Pro provides unmatched power and flexibility to bring your vision to life.